Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside My Career. Pause the game and open Settings so you can change core input behaviors immediately. Once in Settings, switch to Controls or Player Settings where hand and shot preferences live. This is essential because the game applies changes to your active build only. Make sure your controller is connected and responsive, then highlight the shooting hand or shot preference option. Don't skip this check if the option isn't showing. Confirm you're in My Career. With the correct build loaded before. Now you toggle the shooting hand from the displayed option. Choose left or right depending on which hand you want to finish with. Once done, hit apply or confirm so the game saves the input mapping. This updates animation and button mapping. Make sure to check any linked shot meter or control inversion settings too, because those can affect feel. After applying, close Settings and return to a quick game or practice session. This verifies the new handedness is active and behaving as expected. Finish by testing the change in 2KU or a scrimmage so you can see shot animations and release side in real time. Do a variety of shot types to confirm consistency. If the hand didn't switch, go back to Settings and reapply the toggle, then double-check you aren't in a locked animation or signature pack that overrides settings. If changes still fail to persist, hard reset the game and reload your save. That clears session cache and forces the new control mapping to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.